ABCs.
Those are ABCs. And now.
Those are numbers.
And
Who are you sitting like right now?
Mommy.
But who sits in Mommy's lap like this too? Buddy?
Buddy. I like to see Mommy.
You just talk. Why are you not in bed?
No, I want to go to bed and see Mommy, Daddy.
What do you want to do with Mommy and Daddy?
No.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Do you want to play with us?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
How do you get out of your bed?
See, Daddy, my daddy to see and I don't see that. I see Daddy under there. See, Daddy knows she and oh, Daddy see.
Hey, what happens when you get out of your bed and you're not supposed to?
I'm not get out of my bed.
But what happens sometimes when you get out of your bed?
I'm thinking.
Spanking with what?
A boom.
With a what?
I'm getting a boom.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, it hurt me.
Wait, honey. It does? Does it make you stay in your bed?
Yeah.
So why do you get out?
I get out on my sofa to I them off.
Did you get out because you were hungry?
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy, give me baby food. I want a nap.
You don't want a nap?
No.
Why'd you want baby food?
I want a hummy.
You're hummy?
Yeah.
You're what?
Hey, that's your hummy.
Did you wear big girl underwear today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you use the potty?
Yeah, it
When'd you get wet?
No.
Where were you when you peed in them?
And the thing, I put a dot.
Yeah, all by yourself you were swinging?
Yeah.
You just peed?
Yeah, I peed nothing. I did it. I did it.
Was it fun?
Yeah, I tried kissy baby.
What?
I tried kissy baby hug.
You're a really weird kid.